everybody, welcome to Country Girl with Kathy Jarvis. And have you been feeling kind of down, a little sad, looking out and seeing the cold weather outside? If you have any problems sleeping lately, just don't have enough energy, just kind of want to lay around, eating more than what you should, and irritable, you might have some winter blues. So stick around and I'll give you 12 things that can help you get out of that mood. Welcome back. One of the first things you can do is get active. Either go to the gym or go outside for a walk, or just put on an old video or stream an exercise program and exercise. That'll help get your blood flowing and get you energized more. Get outside. Go outside at least 30 minutes to an hour each day if it's weather permitting, and you're able to do that. Go for a brisk walk or just sit on the porch, and enjoy the fresh air and the sunlight. And if you can't get outside due to weather or physical conditions, find a room that has lots of windows, that's fairly light in color, and a summery room. Wear bright clothes, just to uplift your mood. Stay warm. Just being warm itself helps lift the spirits. And the house, for optimal conditions, the temperature should be between 64 and 70 degrees. And that's like 18 to 20 Celsius. That's your best temperatures for keeping warm and uplifting your moods. Also, make sure you drink warm liquids and eat some warm food. And eat healthy. That's another thing. At this time of year, we've just gotten over the holidays with all those carbs, and those carbs added weight to people usually. So we need to balance out that craving with some fresh fruits and vegetables. And that's one reason I really love my arrow garden, because I got fresh lettuce growing right in the kitchen, and I find that I'm more and more, as the days go on, I'm reaching for that piece of lettuce instead of reaching for the cookie. So I'm trying to balance out that. So you might give that a try. Have an indoor little garden. You can add vitamin D to your diet if you can't get outside. Of course, talk to your doctor. Make sure that you can take a supplement. But vitamin D will also help lift your mood. Start a new hobby or try a new outdoor activity. Winter sports like sledding, even building a snowman. Ice skating, bird watching outside, anything that gets you out and it's new, that engages your mind in learning something new. Crocheting, knitting, needlework, any of those things, as long as they're a new hobby, will help with your mood because you're learning something. You've got your mind occupied by doing something else. Visit your family and friends. It not only helps you, it'll help them. And it's always nice to visit family, always. Another thing is to make sure you get a good night's sleep, regular hours. And it doesn't matter whether you're sleeping from 9 o'clock until the next morning, or if you go to bed at 2 o'clock and wake up at 9:30. The thing is to keep it at a regular schedule. Go to bed at the same time each night, wake up at the same time each morning. Try to get 8 hours sleep in. Some people get by with less, some people need more, but don't oversleep. That's just makes you more tired and makes you more irritable. Number 9, practice breathing exercises or making a diary of everything that you do. And when you can write your diary, write on there things that make you happy that day. You can even include things that were down. Why were you down today? Write that down. You might describe what the weather's like outside. Just get descriptive. Get your mind engaged in it. And another thing is to do meditation. Read your Bible. Study it. Memorize it. Just engage your mind. Number 10 is put on some upbeat music and clean that house. Declutter it. Get it clean. A decluttered house does a lot to make you feel happier. You walk into a room, and if it's all messy, you automatically go, oh gosh, I gotta clean this. I don't want to clean this. You walk in a house that's nicely and clean, and you go, oh, I can relax. I don't have to do anything. And then you can do what you want to do. Number 11, go to the movies. Go do something fun that you enjoy. If you enjoy playing board games, play some board games with the family. If you enjoy playing a video game, play a video game for a little bit. Just do something each day that you really, really enjoy. And that brings us to the last one, which is 12, and that is to turn off the news, turn off the TV, limit your screen time, and get out and get active. So basically, the main point is to engage your mind in something new or an old hobby. Just keep busy. And hopefully this helps you if you have any sadness. If you're really, really down, get professional help. Don't try to fight it yourself. And you can always call friends and family, and they are always happy to hear from you. So hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, like, share, subscribe, please. And I'll see you in the next video. Dream big and follow that dream. Bye, everybody.